Back out here live. So what can you do to protect your home from that frigid temps? You know what? Joining me now, home improvement expert Adam Helfman. You know what?
Yeah.
You have all the answers, Adam.
I try.
So take me through this. What's a good tip here with the faucet?
Okay, so it's very cold out, and if you are the type of person that is afraid of frozen pipes, and it happens a lot, I suggest that you take a faucet in your house, turn it on, and leave it at a pencil thickness width, okay? Now remember, moving water doesn't freeze. That's the whole goal of this. Now, you might be thinking, oh, my water bill is going to go up. But guess what? Frozen pipes are going to cost a lot more than your water bill.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now, what can we do here below the sink?
Okay, so we'll turn the water off here. Now, if you have a house where the sink in your kitchen overlooks outside and there's a window, that's the pipes going up the outside wall. If you leave your cabinet doors open, the heat from the house will migrate underneath here, and that will prevent frozen pipes from underneath the sink.
Wow.
Inexpensive, it's actually free, and it's something you should be doing.
And it's 1, 2, 3. It's very easy.
That's
I love
correct.
that, Adam. Now, let's go to the windows here.
Okay, so let's go to the windows here and follow me. So, as you know, windows are the thinnest part of your house, okay? And heat travels towards the cold. That's science. If you have blinds, I suggest that everybody keep their blinds closed, and that will stop the heat from migrating out, or slow it down for the very least. And what happens is that allows your house to stay warmer longer. The furnace works less, saves energy.
There you go. And we definitely don't want to stress that furnace out. Now, when we go over here, let's go to the thermostat, because I understand you got some tips.
Sure.
There. Let's quickly
come on
go
over here.
Yes.
Okay. So, first things first, on your thermostat, what I suggest people do is set it back anything above 65. But a lot of people like it for whatever temperature they want. But here's the real thing. What we want you to do is you put your furnace on heat, and then you put the fan on and not auto. Because when it's on, it's always circulating the air through your house. It's filtering it, cleaning it, but it's preventing the furnace from starting and stopping, because as the temperature drops, the furnace is calling for more heat, and it's turning on. And every time it turns on, it's a jolt of energy, and that's when you have a chance of something breaking.
Exactly. Just before we go, hire a dime. I understand you can find people, experts, for people that are looking to do home improvements.
Yeah, so if homeowners are looking for a pre-screened, licensed, and insured contractor, we vet them, and we have heating and cooling, plumbers, emergency services. If you have a broken pipe or a flood, we'll have people to come out to take care of you. And so it's the safety and the trust that people have.